Are you worried about unauthorized access to your Temu account? Let's lock it down and remove devices you no longer use. First, open the Temu app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the U tab. It's usually the last icon on the right. On the U page, find the settings icon. It looks like a gear, and it's located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Tap on that. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. Scroll down until you find security and tap on it. This will open up the security page. On this page, find and select logged in devices. Now you'll see a list of all the devices currently logged into your Temu account. Next to each device, you'll see a logout button. Tap the logout button next to any device you want to remove from your account or no longer recognize. This will log that device out of your account. You will receive a pop-up notifying you that you will be logged out of that device and asking you to confirm your logout. Tap confirm. After you have logged out, that device will be removed from the list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a device from your Temu account. Your account is now more secure.